Hi and welcome to Think Business 95. Today we are going to talk about starting a pet grooming business. Starting a pet grooming business in South Africa can be a fulfilling venture for animal lovers. Here are some steps to help you get started. Conduct market research to identify the demand for pet grooming services in your target area. Assess the competition and determine your unique selling points. Define your target market, such as dog owners, cat owners, or specific breeds, and tailor your services accordingly. Create a comprehensive business plan that includes your goals, target market, marketing strategies, financial projections, and operational details. Legal and regulatory requirements. Register your business with the Companies and Intellectual Property Commission, CIPC, or appropriate local authority. Obtain all necessary permits and licenses, such as health permits and municipal approvals. Comply with South Africa's tax regulations by registering for tax with the South African Revenue Service, SARS. Choose a location with easy access and parking for pet owners. Ensure it has sufficient space for grooming stations, bathing areas, drying stations, and waiting areas. Create a comfortable and safe environment for pets, with appropriate equipment, such as grooming tables, tubs, dryers, and grooming tools. Consider the need for separate areas for dogs and cats if you plan to offer grooming services for both. Invest in quality grooming equipment, including clippers, scissors, brushes, combs, and nail trimmers. Purchase or build bathing stations with suitable tubs, faucets, and grooming tables. Stock up on grooming supplies like shampoos, conditioners, ear cleaners, and grooming sprays. Ensure a clean and hygienic environment by following proper sanitation practices and maintaining equipment and facilities. Stay updated on the latest grooming techniques, industry trends, and pet care practices. Remember to provide a safe and comfortable experience for pets during their grooming sessions. Building trust and delivering high-quality service will help your pet grooming business thrive in South Africa's pet-loving community.